Okay. You want to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 straws. Okay. So, and then you want to take 3 straws and you want to put it in one group, 3 straws, and then put all of them on the side. Then you want to line it up like this. You want to line it up like this on the table. And you want to take one and then separate it. And you want to take both so it's like a chicken foot. Then you want to take another straw, put it at the end. Not when the straws are meeting up together, but like apart. Then you want to tape all that together. Where's my tape? Oh, it's in here. My tape, my tape, my tape, my tape, my tape, my tape, my tape. And then you want to tape them all together. Okay, this is very complicated. And cut. And I have to, well, tape it when they are meeting up together. Oh no. Flip it around. Okay guys, I'm back and I made another one. So you want to have 2 whole, I don't know, chicken feet things. Then you want to cut 2 big strips of yarn. Then you want to tape it, and on the sides you want to tape the yarn on there. I'll just tie it right now. And I'll come back because I need to tie this. Okay, once you're all done tying it, you want to like tie it on each, like in, not each corner, like each side of the straw. And on both ones. And then you're gonna have 2 cups, and we're not using them for ghost. We're gonna take a cup, we're gonna put it against this straw, then you have to tape it on. I will come back when this is all done. Okay, so what I basically just did was I just taped the cup on the chicken feet. So you're basically just put your foot in here and you hold this up so it reaches up to your hand. Then you want to put both of your feet in, and then you want to start walking with you holding these on. And yeah. And make sure you subscribe. So you basically want to hold the string. You want to put your feet in the cups. And then you just want to start walking everywhere. They kind of looks like bare feet and chicken feet. And yep, that's it.